We're at Shaw's Hiker Hostel on 20 September, 7:31. Here's a Cairn pancake that poet, the hostel operator, just brought out for us. Pretty cool. Hey, I met this guy last night and I'd ask him to introduce himself to us.
Hi, my name's Mammoth. I'm from Troy, New York. I was just 73 years old on September 11th, and I've wanted to hike the AT ever since I was an 11-year-old Boy Scout, and someone came to the Boy Scout meeting and talked about it, which back in then was like the late 50s. Nobody hiked the AT, so he got a lot of little chuckles out of the audience because it was pretty unusual. But so that's when I first started to have the desire to hike. And finally last year I started out at Springer, got as far as Daleville, Virginia, when I had a stress fracture in my behind my kneecap and my tibias, and I got off the trail. So this year I started again on the 17th of April, and now I got maybe 7 to 10 days to go and we'll be done. So I'm really looking forward to the next few days, especially since the weather's going to be good.
Very good. Yeah, we do have some good weather coming. So we're doing a slack pack, and we came across this marker here. Best friend forever, love dad, Anthony Atwell Robinson, May 14th, 1979 to June 4th, 2005. And then there's okay, this is a marker as well. It's related to it. We got to go 0.8 up this trail. Then we'll be on the AT. And what we're doing today is we're doing a slack pack. It's going to be about 14.5 miles, but we have this extra 0.8. So we zeroed yesterday at Shaw's Hostel, and our plan now is to slack pack 3 days out of Shaw's, which is going to get us through the more arduous or difficult part of the 100-mile wilderness. So today's Saturday, we'll do Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday morning we'll be released into the remainder of the 100-mile wilderness, and we'll be heading north to up toward Katahdin. Monson's a tiny little town. I don't even think it has a traffic light. But Shaw's is a real landmark on the trail. Been in operation since 1977, and got everything hikers need, including a huge breakfast in the morning. Going to find the AT, then we got to make dang sure we turn left so we head south. And we need to mark this point, because I suspect we'll be either tomorrow or the next day doing a section that will bring us back to this point, and then we have to go find the parking lot. This is Slagundy Falls on Long Point Stream. Supposed to be some nice swimming according to the Guthooks comments. One step. Tell us about your record hike the other day.
So I did 22 miles to get into Shaw's to catch up with these boys.
Awesome. So what took us 3 days took you 2.
Yeah.
And you were flying, because she didn't finish much behind us, right, Jack? Brushing his teeth.
Things you do on the trail.
Well, you must feel pumped after that 22, because you wanted to do a 20 and you did a 22.
Yeah, my best time had been an 18 going down into Duncannon and back. So.
All right, very cool. Last night we had dinner with one of Jack's friends, Lunatic, who's hiked the trail several times, and Jack knows him from down south, and he gave us some advice on, particularly if we get some rain coming, maybe pieces to take care of before we hit the rain. So we'll talk more with Poet, the owner of the hostel, who knows all about this stuff. And tomorrow we might have to get going about 5 o'clock, because we're going to have to drive out to our start point and then start hiking, and maybe have to hike into the trail like we did today. But yeah, it's all part of the slack packing. So I'm not carrying much in my backpack. I've got the essentials: water filter, a couple liters of water. I'm carrying my shelter in my poles, just, you know, God forbid something happens. I got a little something extra to wear. And then just some food, snacks, stuff like that. This is our third snake of the morning. He's just chilling. Now he's gonna move out. There he goes. This is exactly like the other two, I do believe, right?
Something like that. They're pretty colored.
Yeah, they are.
Garter snakes.
Moving in the right direction, too. I don't know if he's still alive, though. Oh, boy. I don't think he's doing too well. This is Big Wilson Stream. It was a thigh-deep ford, and it was pretty dicey. So the trick is to stay on, don't get on the big rocks, stay on the small ones, like Jack's doing there. Just incredible. Beautiful. Beautiful day. Beautiful forest. Here's a view of North Pond that we're walking next to right now. This is the sign that talks caution. 100-mile wilderness.